Hi, my name is Deanna Gale. My teammates Samira Ricardo and I, with the input and guidance of our product owner and professor, Dr. Sahadi, implemented Mobile Judge version 13. This video shows how to install the software solution. First, we go to this link to download the newest version of Visual Studio. And the link is visualstudio.microsoft.com/downloads. Next, we can clone the repo that includes all of this code for the solution at this link, github.com/Florida International University /project/tree/develop-d. This code will then be cloned in Visual Studio. So after cloning, the solutions directory will show these projects: SP-MJ, SP-VIP, SPWA, and SPWA.data-access. The one we will focus on is SP-MJ. In regard to database usage, we can first navigate to the Package Manager console under the Tools menu. And we ensure that SPWA is the default listed project. Next, we can run these commands to update the database and add any migrations. So to update the database, the command is update-database initial migration, which is the name of the migration, -context application db context. And also, to add the migration, we can type this command: add-migration initial migration -context application db context. Okay. And to visualize and manually change the database, we can navigate to the SQL Server Object Explorer under the View menu. And here we can locate the desired database that is listed in the default connection of the app settings.json file. As seen here. To update the email invitation feature, we can navigate to the Send Email.razor page under our project. And change the email address and password to the appropriate values found in the client.credential field. As seen right here. Lastly, to start the application, we can simply click the ISS Express button at the top of the toolbar right here. Thank you.